new update. Let's go. All secret. Follow me. This for new. This one. Let's go. This thing. That is a new animation for toddler. And you can. Where is 2 eggery? Bro. Yay. I have a secret on there. Bro. It's taking so much. I told you. I will show you all secret avatar world. I like this. Oh no, that is not. Yeah. Yay. I show all the secret avatar world. First, I'm going to the. I have a hydrate drink. I'm really so happy. And I will show you how all secret. Let's go. First, go in the beach. And you got this. And go now. And every secret is under a sand. Let's put them. Wow, that is really so cutie. Wow. How did you get that tropical? First, go to the beach and you can see a glasses and go to the beach. And like this, you have an umbrella. A tropical umbrella. That's cute. Why? Because it's colorful. I like this very much. The tropical umbrella. I will put you. Hey, that is a new animation for the toddler. I'm really so happy. That is new animation. What is this? No! The beach hotel is on the end. Beach hotel. Yay! Please schedule the volume. Yay! What is that? I don't know, but it's coming soon. Let's go, guys, to play Avatar World. Let's go to Rintingu. I am drinking, Bobby. Okay, I'm drinking. Hey, I walk now. I go to you. Hey, me too. I love hydrate. Okay, I will eat them. I hydrate. Bye bye. Bobby, let's go. Do you want a food? Yes. I can walk. Let's go. I'm on the run. It's really so beautiful. What is your favorite food on there? This one? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? Those fish, okay. What is this? Let's eat them. I have a secret to you. What is this? Order a watermelon. First the watermelon. No watermelon. Let's go eat them. I thought that is a straw. Let's go. Yay! Let's eat them now. I go under. A lot of trouble. What color do you want? Me, blue. You, how are you? What is your favorite color? Orange or yellow? Your mother. Let's eat them. Yum 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 yum. That's really so yummy. Yay! Let's go to the beach hotel. But it's really night time. Hey, wait for me, Bobby. And here's the toddler. He is out there. That is a new animation for toddler. Let's go.
Yup.
Let's go.
Again.
Who is a leader? You, Bobby. Do you want to be leader, Bobby, or not?
No, it's Twinkie, like the rabbit.
My sister want to leader, but I will help them. Do you want to or not now? Not. Do you? I want. This game. Mom, what is this assignment? Is this nighttime time for sleepy?
I'm uploading a video now.
Where is your uploaded video?